Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Mix the basics to match your skin. Combine 1 tablespoon clay with 1 tsp honey and 1 tsp yogurt. Add a few drops of carrier oil if dry. You want a spreadable paste, not runny, because texture controls absorption. Once done, patch test behind your ear for 10 minutes to prevent reactions. Make sure to work over a sink or towel. This reduces cleanup. This quick preparation sets the stage for effective absorption and safer results. You apply the mask with gentle, outward strokes. Aim for a thin, even layer about 1–2 millimeters thick to ensure uniform drying. While it sets, relax for 10 to 15 minutes. Steam your face briefly with a warm towel to open pores and increase nutrient delivery. Once it firms, use fingertips to lightly massage the jawline and forehead. This boosts circulation and aids exfoliation. Then slowly soften with lukewarm water. Make sure removal is gentle to avoid irritation. You finish by rinsing thoroughly with cool water to close pores, then pat dry and seal results with a lightweight moisturizer or SPF if daytime. Make sure to adjust frequency. Once weekly for oily skin, up to twice weekly for drier types when you increase hydrating ingredients. If you notice redness or burning, stop right away. Rinse with cool water and apply a cold compress to calm skin. If symptoms persist beyond 24 hours, consult a professional to avoid complications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.